Welcome to Problem Solving through Programming, Module 2, Control Statement. So, in the previous class, we saw about control statements. In this class, we'll continue with that switch case. Okay. So, syntax of the switch case. Switch will have variable or expression. Open the bracket. Case constant 1. Then the statement break case constant 2 statement break, likewise it will go on. So case constant n statement break then default the statement. So this was your syntax. So we'll see one example for that. Okay. Include stdio.h int main. Okay. So now we'll do the program to create a simple calculator. Okay. So character operation double n1 and n2. I've used two data type, one is character and one is double. Print enter the operation. It might be character or it might be in numbers. Okay, so I'm giving plus, minus, star and division. Scanf percentage C, because it is a character present of operation. Printf enter two operands, that is n1 and n2. Scanf, I have said it is a double, so percentage LF, and for n1 and for n2 again LF, comma ampersand n1 ampersand n2. Okay, now starts your switch operations. So case, it might be plus, minus, division, multiplication, so on. So either you can use character or I can use values 1, 2, 3 like that I can use. So printf percentage LF plus equal to percentage, so double plus double is going to be double only, comma n1 comma n2. So these are the two for this L1, this LF and this LF, and for this it is n1 plus n2. Okay, break. Same way I can do for case minus, I can do for case multiplication, I can do for case division and all. So here what I'll do, LF minus LF, and here N1 minus N2. Likewise I can go and do for all the cases, 4 cases, plus minus multiplication and division, and for each I have to break it. Then finally I will go for default print error. Okay, the operator is not correct. In case apart from plus, minus, multiplication and division, if you are giving any other operator, say for example greater than, equal to, not equal to, anything, if you are giving like this, then it will say it is error, return to 0. Okay. Next is nested switch. So nested switch means inside a switch will have another switch. Okay, so inner switch can be a part of an outer switch. So inner switch and outer switch case constants may be the same, right? So your inner switch can be a part of outer switch. And your case constant may be same for this inner switch and outer switch, because inner switch is different, outer switch is different, right? So your case constant can be same. Otherwise what we said, a case constant will not be same, I said. So here, because you are using two different switches, one is your inner switch and other switch, we can have the same case constant. So inner switch and outer switch case constant may be the same. Okay. One example we can see for your nested switch case. So include stdio.h int main int a is equal to 100, b is equal to 200, switch a case 100 printf. This is outer switch. Inside this outer switch I am writing now inner switch. Switch B case 200 printf this is inner switch. Okay, so I have opened one here, this one. I have opened one here, so I'll close here. Understood. The switch is the inner switch of that. Then I can write return 0 and I can end it. Okay, one more control statement, conditional statement is go to statement. Okay, it transfers control from one point to another point. So a transfer control from one point to another. Okay, so syntax for that: go to label, then we'll have the statements, and that label will have the statements in that label. Okay. And we have break. So what is break? Break will end the loop. Okay, it ends the loop immediately. That is more important. Immediately it will end. So syntax is simply break. Okay, so this break statement is almost always used with the if-else statement inside the loop. Okay, right. Like for example, so in while loop condition, so this is your test expression, and we'll open the brace and we'll give the condition if condition to break. Okay, then we'll say break. Your codes and all will be there. A simple example I can tell you: for int I, for loop, I'll tell you for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. If I is equal to 4, right, break. Print the value then. Okay, so what value it will print? Till 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 it will print. And if it is I is equal to 4 means immediately it will end the program. Okay, and next we have continue. So continue, it will skip the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next iteration. Okay, it will skip the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. So syntax is as simple as that. So continue. Okay, same as a break, it can be used inside your if else statement. Okay, but If we see continue, it means the current statement will be skipped and it will continue the next iteration. For example, int I for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, right? So if I is equal to 4, continue, print percentage G I and give a new line. Okay, so what will happen now? It will I is equal to 0, it will print 1, it will print 2, it will print 3, it will print, right? So it will come to 4, I is equal to 4. So it will not print that because you have a continue. That particular statement it will skip and then it will go for the next. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 9 it will print, right? Okay, I will stop with this. So the next section we will see about looping statements.